Next, this is the scope of our numerical differentiation topic. As you can see that if we want to do the differentiation, first order differentiation, there are up to 6 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can use this 6 method to do the first order differentiation or first order derivative. So it depends on the data that you want to use. Of course, more data you use, the accuracy will be better in most cases. So it depends to the question which method you should use. For example, if the question asks you to compare 5 different methods, of course you can choose the first 5 methods. That is, there are 2 points forward, 2 points backward, 3 points center, 3 points forward, and 3 points backward. Okay, at the next discussion we will go into discuss how to choose or how to apply this method. For the second order derivative, on the other hand, we have 2 methods. There are 3 point center difference and 5 point center difference. All the formula will be given during the exam, so you are required to understand how to use the formula to solve the problem. First, let us see our first method, the 2 point forward difference. Okay, this is a symbol of first order derivative. So this is the point that you want to estimate, and you are going to use the next point. As you can see, the s plus h means the next interval. So that means you use the next point. So that's why we name the equation as forward difference. We use the next one to do the difference. So for the next is you want to know the differentiation for x, but you are using the previous point, so you minus the h. So that's why we name this method as backward difference. In the exam, these 2 formulas might not be given because they are too simple, they are very straightforward. Forward difference, 2 points. So first point will be the point that you want to differentiate. The second point will be the next point, that is the s plus h. So for the 3 point difference, on the other hand, you're going to use the next point minus the previous point. So the center point, that is the fs, actually not exist in this equation, but this equation cover 3 points, that is the s minus h, s, and also s plus h. So there are 3 points required to solve this problem. So the beauty for this equation is, if you want to estimate certain point without the s, actually you can estimate. Later I will show you one example.